Hi, I'm Novacotton. Growing is an art, not a recipe. You don't go to the bakery, buy a box of brownie mix, and suddenly you become a baker. No. You have to learn about ratios, temperature fluctuations, environment. Growing is the same. Once you understand why things work, or don't, you stop needing a strict recipe and just listen to your plants. It's a difference between giving a man a fish and teaching him how to fish. With that in mind, I wanted to talk about lighting. When you buy a light, the manual usually gives you an estimated PPFD at certain heights. That's helpful, but it's not super accurate in real grow conditions. What they're trying to tell you is the potency of light, and that's measured in PPFD and PAR. PPFD stands for photosynthetic photon flux density, basically how many photons your light is delivering to the plant per second. PAR stands for photosynthetically active radiation, the usable light spectrum, which is 400 to 700 nanometers that plants actually use for photosynthesis. You can measure this with a proper quantum PAR meter, or you can use a free cheap app like the Photon app that uses your phone's sensor and runs it through an equation to give you DLI, daily light integral. The equation looks like this: DLI equals PPFD times hours of light times 3600 divided by 1 million. The 3600 simply represents the number of seconds in an hour. The 1 million at the bottom is there to convert the final number from millions of micromoles into manageable whole moles, since DLI is standardly measured in moles per day. DLI tells you the maximum amount of light your plant can handle comfortably at its current stage. I know this sounds a little dense at first, but it's really not that complicated once you see it in action. I'm only going over the specifics because some of you love sliding into the DMs to debate the details. The manufacturer's numbers are a good starting point, but you can get way more accurate by measuring it yourself with a quantum PAR meter or the Photon app. By the way, I made a GrowEngine app that suggests proper levels for free and even helps you calculate the DLI with your PPFD. I made it to help everyone. Here's a solid DLI ramp I like to follow, especially with autos. Week 1 I usually go 10 to 15 DLI, week 2 to 3, 20 to 25 DLI, when you hit the pre-flower, 30 to 38 DLI, mid-bloom push to 40-45 DLI, and late bloom taper back down to 35 to 40 DLI to protect your terps. Photoperiod plants are a whole different ballgame. They're more resilient and can actually manage a higher DLI. This becomes a crucial factor if you decide to cut down on hours of light, because your goal then is to maintain the DLI while decreasing the total light duration. Different genetics handle light more efficiently than others, so start on the lower side of the range and slowly bump it up while watching your plants closely. If they're happy, not stretching like crazy, and the leaves look praying, pointing upward, you can push them harder than most people think, especially with autos on 18 to 24 hours of light. Don't be afraid to grab a quantum PAR meter or use the Photon app. It helps keep your plants happy, healthy, and praying instead of burning alive. And that's my time. Hope everyone has a great week and keep on growing. Bye.